welcome to my channel. You guys didn't ask for it, but you're gonna receive this tonight or today, whenever you watch this video. Let's go watch some worship fails. Top 15 worship fails. And next time when you guys watch my video, put a comment. And if you want me to recommend some videos and you want me to review them or do a try not to laugh session like I am doing today, the comment section is a great spot to put in your input. Just a FYI there, because my comment section is dust. Anyways, here we have top 15 worship fails. Try not to laugh. 3 strikes, I'm out, and I'm out. So let's see how this goes.
We thank you for just having this opportunity to worship, God. We just thank you
for the arrow is pointing at the keyboard player.
We just ask that you remove any iniquities, God, that you remove anything that's stopping us from worshiping.
Wow, that actually happened to me once.
Sorry about that. Again, we ask that you remove anything that's stopping us from worshiping.
Oh no. I saw this video. Brace yourself, everybody. All right. That was crazy. Look at his face. Look at his face. Oh my God. Wait. You guys notice the other guy's face? This guy right here. Immediately when he starts playing, watch. He's like, what? But this guy's the one that always gets me. Oh gosh. Alright, let's go to the next video. Alright. I'm already losing. Oh, wait. Oh my God. You're in my heart forever. Wake within me. You're in my heart forever. But not forsaken. I've been set free. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Love never ending. Oh.
Let's go back to this.
Love never.
Let's stop and let's talk about this. Us guitar players, we've been there. We've been there. We've hit the wrong note with delay and reverb, and it's just resonating in a never-ending loop. So yes, I feel that, and I'm pretty sure they played that video over and over again for him. Wow.
Love never ending. Oh, oh, oh. You are alive in us. Nothing can take your place. You are all we need. Your love has set us free. You are alive. You are alive in. Oh, guys, I've done a string and the whole guitar's gone. I'm just gonna have to stop and retune because I'm like using a special tune in there.
Oh no.
Retune because I'm like using a special tune in there. Guitar's gone.
I've never had this happen. Only once, and I had a spare pack of strings and I was able to change the strings during before the second half of the service. So yeah, but never on acoustic I've had that happen on a live setting. Wow. Yeah, that one hurts. And then make it more awkward by explaining to the crowd what happened. Yeah. I would have just had people clap and finish that one song. Yeah. To be honest, I don't know what I would have done.
I'm just gonna have to stop and retune because I'm like using a special tune in there.
This
Not gonna wait for the walls to fall. It's forever. Here not. Not gonna wait.
she's not even playing.
Not gonna wait for the wall.
Alright, so maybe it was in the mix and he didn't know the solo, so somebody else played it in the mix. I don't know. Oh my god.
Standing side.
Oh my god. Oh my. Wait. The whole keyboard fell. Now, there's been occasions where the speaker just dies. but the whole thing just collapsed. Those keys, the last keys, yeah. Yo, I'm so sorry. I think I've seen this video before. Oh my god. Everybody knows when this video came out. Infamous drummer.
When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours, and you are mine. Oh, and you are mine.
Yeah.
Take me deeper than my
need. It may not always be what we want. But
Never
we
hire
trust
a
God
metal
always
drummer.
to give us what we need.
Well played, well
I guess
played.
it's okay.
That's it, guys. That's all there is to it tonight. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and like I said, leave your comments. Give me video suggestions. Give me more ideas. I want to do this for you guys. It's been a while that I didn't upload, so I apologize. Had some rough patches to go through, but I'm back. And I hope you enjoy this video. Bye-bye. Until next time.